It was a time when marketing was simple. It was a push of content, a broadcast of messages and images from inside the organization to the outside world. Now that's shifted. We're in a time where digital has completely changed the game for marketing. What's changed is the behavior from the individuals themselves. We've talked about for years, there needs to be a shift from the mass idea of marketing to the individual idea of marketing. What do I want as a consumer? What do I want and demand of products, services, of price, of options, of relevance, of location? Those are the inputs and the signals that we're now getting as a business, and our ability to interpret those signals and reshape how we go to market, to reshape product R&D, operations, logistics, the technology that informs the business, that informs the operation, that informs marketing. All of these things are colliding. What dimensional marketing asks of us is to literally flip the paradigms of traditional marketing. As opposed to thinking about going from marketing from masses to individuals. And if you flip that, we're now looking at an era where individuals are marketing back as individuals and sometimes in mass to brands and companies themselves. As we look at the disruption, the revolution in digital technology around how individuals are engaging with brands and with messages and with content, as we look at the connectivity revolution and how businesses are able to tap into signals and data around information, around technology, these things have shifted the way that marketing serves its function within the business, and ultimately the way the business is able to build relationships with and build trust with individuals. So take what we know about marketing and look at it in different dimensions. We've typically seen marketing as a linear function. We've talked about it in terms of funnels, in terms of paths, in terms of journeys. These are fine constructs, but they don't address the heart of what's really happening. And what's really happening is we look across the different dimensions of marketing, the different revolutions in information, technology, connectivity, and engagement and experience, that these things are growing exponentially out from the core. So we've gone from a linear idea of marketing to a circular idea of marketing, where marketing is now infused with the organization around product, price, and promotion, absolutely, but even more importantly, around data, around interpretation and intelligence of that data, around technology and platforms, all with the hopes of engaging individuals and bringing them into the core. And at the pivot of that is the CIO, enabling that function to happen, enabling marketing for the business, essentially enabling the business to happen through intelligence, through connectivity, through engagement and experience, and the broadcast of that experience, but also the consumption of that experience.